Hey everyone, I'm at the IKEA Mega Bang Na. It just opened up. It's Friday morning, so no one's here yet. Two new things I've never tried. Well, they've probably been around, I just haven't tried them. The first is a plant-based chicken wing. So plant-based. Trying to eat healthier, of course. Wow, that's really crunchy. I don't know if you can hear me crunching on this. Since real chicken wings are mostly not chicken, this is actually very similar. It does taste kind of like chicken. It's really crunchy. I gotta say, this tastes pretty good. I think if you gave this to someone and didn't tell them it was plant-based, they might think it's just a cheap chicken wing. So plant-based is better for the environment anyways. Alright, so the good old Cinnabon. Let's see if IKEA can make a good one. Well, the dough is soft and all, but it's definitely kind of dry. So I don't think the franchise Cinnabon has to worry. There isn't, as much cinnamon as there's obviously cinnamon in it, but not as much as Cinnabon. And it doesn't have as much of that sugar glaze that Cinnabon has. I would have to imagine this is healthier just because it's mostly bread. But if you look at the texture of that bread, it actually does just look like bread. It's not super sweet, which you might appreciate. So I had to come back because I didn't give it a fair review at the start. The outside is definitely dry, but once you get towards the middle, it's nice and soft. It's very much like a Cinnabon. There's a lot more cinnamon in here. And so I think for the price, this is really good. Maybe it's just a bad batch. Maybe just they overcooked this batch and so it's really dry, this outer ring. But inside of that ring, really good stuff. Yeah, very good. Hopefully you can see as I pierce this. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show, but it's definitely moist in the middle compared to that outside, which looks like regular bread. Alright, anyways, but I ate all the chicken wings and they're fantastic. They really are. You'd be hard pressed to know that those are plant-based. So I really recommend those, and this is pretty good too. Alright, we'll see you at the next place.